WD-40 Specialist Multi-Purpose Cutting Oil provides enhanced lubrication to prevent burring, pitting and metal seizures. It provides extreme pressure and anti-wear additives in a unique formulation that delivers critical lubrication to drill bits and vertical cutting blades. WD-40 Specialist Cutting Oil is designed to reduce heat accumulation from friction forces in the drilling, cutting or sawing process, helping to prolong the life of drill bits, cutting tools and cutting blades. By engaging the smart straw, product can be directed to the precise area requiring lubrication, such as the drill bit on a pedestal drill or when hand tapping to thread a borehole. WD-40 Specialist Multi-Purpose Cutting Oil is designed for use on steel surfaces, cutting blades and drill bits. It's ideal for automotive workshops seeking to prolong the life of cutting tools and drilling equipment. Job done.